morning students. Welcome back to your VVPS e-learning class. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your lesson 6 of English grammar, noun singular and plural. Today I am going to demonstrate pronoun, lesson 9 of English grammar. So today I am going to tell you about what do you mean by pronoun and exercises also. Let's begin the chapter. This is your lesson 9, pronoun. Mention today's date 24/9/20. Classwork. Definition of pronoun is that pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. Thought if you know that if one sentence given like this, Ankush is a hard-working boy. Ankush always stands first in the class. So how can we change it into the pronoun? Ankush is a hard-working boy. He always stands first in the class. Means Ankush we change into pronoun, it is used as he. Okay. Come to the next. Pronouns are mainly of 4 kinds. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun and possessive pronouns. Okay. So first is personal pronouns. The pronouns that are used to represent specific individuals or things are known as personal pronoun, in which there are 3 types of personal pronouns. These pronouns stand for the 3 persons. First is the person speaking, it is I, we, our, us, me and etc. The person is spoken to, it is you, your, etc. And the person is spoken about, he, she, it, they, his, her. So these are all personal pronouns in which we use I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay. Next is demonstrative pronoun. These are the pronouns which are used to point out the specific people or things. Like we use this, that, these and those to demonstrate anything. Na? So this is demonstrative pronoun which use this, that, these and those. Okay. Come to the next one. It is distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun, it is known as for distribution. So if you give anything, you can give it to each of them. Okay. So these are the pronouns which refer to one person or thing at a time. We use each, either, neither, none. Okay. When we distribute anything, we give each of the person who are standing in front of us. Okay. Next is possessive pronouns. These are the pronouns which show the ownership or belongingness of a person or a thing. It is used to show the possessiveness. Like it's mine, this book is mine. Okay. We use words mine, yours, hers and theirs. Means it show the possessiveness. Means this pen is mine. If we say that this pen is mine. So it is possessive pronouns are used for showing the possessiveness. Okay. Come to the next. This is the exercise A, in which you have to fill the pronouns. Like dash do not know when Sikandar left for his college. So I do not know. I is a pronoun. What I remember is that he took breakfast at 8 a.m. with me. But after that, I went to my room for a change, and when I came out, he was already gone. Mother was not feeling well, so she was sleeping in her own room. In fact, whenever Sikandar's friends come outside, I just joins her and him all go away very fast. So, these are the words I, he. These are the pronouns which we fill in it in exercise A. Next is exercise B. Tick the correct demonstrative pronouns, in which these and these 2 are pronouns, but we use it as a demonstration. So this is the pen which I bought yesterday. In this is the pen. It is not used these. These word is incorrect for this. So this word is used. So this is the pen which I bought yesterday. Next is those and that are good books. In this verb is are. Means it is used for plural. That's why we use those. Okay. Next is that these is the gift which my uncle gave me. So that that is used in this because is there. These and those are always used for are. When our verb is given, then we use these and those. So that is the gift which my uncle gave me. Next, these and these are the keys which I need. In this, these are the keys because are is given. Our verb is given, that's why we use these. Next is these that are the best shoes at this shop. So those we use, na. Next is these are difficult problems. So are is there, that's why you use these. So these are the demonstrative pronoun which we take in it. Okay. Come to the next. Next is exercise C, in which we have to fill the pronouns only. There are 2 apples. You can take each of them. 5 Brahmins were invited, but dash of them were given food. None. We went to France and Italy, but none of the countries was better than India. Okay. Come to the next. There were 2 men in the cabin. I talked to each. Next is fill in the blanks with correct possessive pronouns. I visited dash last school in the vacation. So I visited, it is my. It is showing the possessiveness. My father owns this car. It is not mine. Mine is also used for as a possessive pronoun. They have forgotten their newly bought clothes in the shop itself. This garden belongs to me. This is mine. Okay. Come to the next. So these are all possessive which are used in the exercise E.